Okay, I've just unboxed the Apple Neo in indigo color from the outside. So this is the setup. So we've got English UK. Boom. I think I did click it. Oh, there we go. Select a country, so based in the UK. Cool. Transfer your data. I'd say set it up as new. So as I said, the unboxing, I cracked my screen on my other MacBook, but I'll set it up as new. Accessibility, not now. It burns when IP. Continue. Okay, password added. Connecting. You can give an idea on the Touch ID. And then even the keyboard has got like that indigo color. Oh, did I enter it wrong? There you go. So software update. I'm on the latest. Nice. Oh, yeah, software update is required. Sorry, I'm not on the latest. Downloading macOS Tahu 2.263. What else to say about it? So this can click, which is nice. Bit of the keyboard layout. Okay, this is going to be a little while. I will pause it and start it again once it's done. Okay, after it's downloaded, it does a few like restarts like this. I think it's done like 2 or 3 times now. So let's see what happens. The different angle looks way darker. Okay, so after it's done the download, I have to select my country and region again. A whole bunch of stuff that nobody ever reads. Click OK. So I have to set it up as new again. Not now. Put in the password. Okay, password added. Click continue again or connecting. So this is the second time I had to do this. Data privacy, which nobody ever reads. Okay, I gotta enter my name. But I have a Mac account. Okay. The account name. We put the password in. Okay, password added. Click continue. So it's creating an account. Creating. Also interesting that the timing is out. So now I'm gonna sign in. 1 second. Okay, once I entered it in, I gotta click allow on my phone. So I'm clicking allow. Oh, okay, I gotta enter a code, which I think should be fine. 6, 4, 8, 2, 6, 6. Okay. Click OK here. Terms and conditions that nobody ever reads. Click agree. So the timing is still out, but they got the date right. And it's connected to Wi-Fi, so I don't know why that's out. But let's see. Setting up account. Okay, I'll fast forward this part, it's boring. Okay, then location services on, device off, Siri, you can be on, screen time on, appearance, light. That should be fine. Live translations, yeah. Continue. Yeah. Choose a notification to summarize. Choose notifications to summarize. You can change summarize for individual apps. I think this is fine for now. Touch ID. Use your fingerprint to unlock. Set up Touch ID. Okay. Pushing it a ton of times. Okay, it seems to have picked it up. Click next. Next up, Apple Pay. I'll do that later. Dun dun dun. Get started. Boom, and there we have it. So that was full setup. I had to enter a few things in twice, and it had to do a download. And I mean, you can see today's 11th of March, so it's fairly close to when it went live. But yeah, that's the full setup of the Apple MacBook Neo in indigo color. If you guys have any questions or comments, let me know, and I will definitely let you know. Also, the time updated. Cool. Otherwise, thanks for watching.